The price of a TCL Smart TV varies depending on the model, screen size, and features. In India, budget-friendly models like the TCL 40-inch HD or Full HD TVs start at around 15,000 to 25,000 rupees, making them an affordable option for casual viewers. For 4K UHD models in the TCL P615 or C715 series, prices typically range from 30,000 to 50,000 rupees, depending on the size 43 inches to 55 inches. Higher-end models, such as those in the TCL QLED series with advanced features like Dolby Vision and HDR10+, can cost between 60,000 to 1 lakh rupees, or more for larger screens, 65 inches and above. Prices may vary slightly during sales on platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, or TCL's official website, so it's worth comparing deals before buying. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.